Hi guys, good morning. Well, today early in the morning we have a rain, a huge rain. See, yep. We have actually expecting with the storm coming, so I think today it's starting to get wet every morning, expectedly. So yeah, obviously there's nobody outside out because of it's raining, and I don't know how long that this is gonna be over. Speaking about storm, and then the site of the storm, it's on our Visayas region. So yeah, I think it's take a while before we get the sun again. But it's a Philippines, sometimes goes too quick, and then when the rain is morning and then the afternoon it's sunny. Alright, so my mom, she's sleeping. Hi, good morning. She doesn't know I'm recording her here. Right, so guys, that's it. We have a storm. I forgot what's the name, but I heard the news last night that we have a storm starting. You know, I just get the shower, so that's why my hair is still messy, wet. Right, sorry. And actually, here, let me show you how. See, here's the box. The deep well is here. Shoot, it's flooding. Looks like flooding here. Right. Rainy days again. Yeah, so, well, this is what happened if it's raining the time. It's gonna stuck here and nowhere to go. Actually, tomorrow it's my flight. My sister that she left a week ago. It's here. Return tomorrow with her daughter. So uh, I'll have to pick them up around 9 a.m. tomorrow, and hopefully their flight is not gonna be delay because of the storm, and hopefully they got safe, and there's no problem. Like 45 minutes away, 45 minutes flight from Manila to here, and yeah, hoping that everything is fine. Right, so tomorrow I will have to pick them up around 9, or whenever, maybe they have a delay. Yeah, once she's texts me, then I will have to pick her up. It's actually 20 minutes drive from here to the airport, so it's not that so far. So yeah, it's quick actually. So guys, this is what I am going to update you this morning. Hope everyone is fine, and Merry Christmas. You see the hat of a Santa Claus I put there in my room, the door. Yeah, hopefully there's somebody to put the socks. And then every morning that I get up, I have a candy there. Joke. Okay guys, so see you in my next video. Bye bye.